Hello everyone and welcome back to another Minecraft video. But this Minecraft video isn't really that much of a Minecraft video. Well, actually, yes it is, but basically I'm going to be teaching you how to make a custom item in Minecraft Bedrock Edition with the bridge. So this is just going to be a blank item. There's not going to be like, you can't like place it down or like, there's no actual use for it except if you're like making a full mod, then you can like, let's say, use it to, let's say, make a custom weapon and a crafting recipe. So I'm just gonna teach y'all how to make a blank item. Uh, that's it. So first of all, you guys want to get Bridge. I'll put a link to downloading that in the description. If you cannot download Bridge, then there is an online editor version. You just have to go to their website. So I'm gonna be try to be quick about this and just like a little tutorial on how to make this quick little tutorial. So first you have to go up here where it says new project. You have to create a new project. So this project name, I'm just gonna name it this is a test because this is a test. The description you can name it, you can get the description whatever you want, just the description of what add-on you're making. So this is a test. That's the description. And yeah, so for the namespace, you can basically do this whatever you want. So a namespace is if so, let's say that you're in Minecraft, you type /give and it's gonna be Minecraft colon something. So this is just you can name this whatever you want as long as you remember it, but it's just gonna be the thing before. So like let's say I make my item is called test item, then I do /give. If mine is MC, then I do MC test item like that. So that's what that is. So I'm just gonna name mine MC for Minecraft. Target Minecraft version, I suggest always doing 1.16.100 as of now because it's a very stable version with bridge for code. Just do that as the target version for now, and then you can press create. So basically here, so first what you want to do, so you have the behavior pack, and then you go down to resource pack, and you haven't created a resource pack yet. So you're gonna do create, and then you can name it the same thing that you did the other one if you want, or you can do something different. Like you can do this as a test behavior pack, or this for the behavior pack, and then like this is the test resource pack for the resource pack. You can basically do whatever you want. So then press create, and now you have your resource pack and your behavior pack. So first of all, go to your resource pack, open the textures folder, open item texture, and you're gonna get this. So, go to texture data, and then on add object, you're gonna put whatever you want your item to be. So, let's make this MC. So you have to put your namespace in. Mine is MC, and then colon, and then you can put the name of your item, but you cannot do spaces because this is what's gonna show up in the /give. So if you want to do spaces, just put in underscore. So I'm gonna do MC test item like that. And then it's gonna autofill to textures. You do that, it's gonna autofill to 0, and then here, this is basically the item texture.json is basically telling you what your texture is for the item. So yeah, so basically this is where you're going to be putting your item in and like what tells it to do. So now you need your com.mojang open. So basically what your com.mojang is, it's basically the folder where all of your stuff is. So what you need to do is you're gonna need to open up your com.mojang, and then you have to go to development resource packs, and then the one that's named whatever your project is. Mine is this is a test. Go to textures, and inside this textures folder, you're gonna have to create a new folder. So new folder. Name it items. You have to name it items, and then open it up, and you can put whatever your item is gonna look like, .png. So I'm just gonna go find just like a random, let's put gunpowder. So I don't actually have a custom item made yet because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna put a random gunpowder thing in. So basically, you're gonna put what the item is, and then this is the folder where you put what it looks like in. So it was named download.png. You're gonna rename it to whatever you made this in your item texture. Also, make sure to do Control S to save your file. So I named mine test item, so you have to rename yours, whatever it is, test item for mine. So then here it's test item.png, which is what it is, and then here when you click on the 0 and then click add value, it should autofill to textures/items. So, okay, well, it's download right now because I have to reload, refresh it, and then autofill that to 0. And then it should be, so I can click textures/items/test item. So always make sure to refresh. And then save that, and then you can close it off. So now you have your texture in basically, but you actually have to make your item. So go to behavior pack, click file, new file, and then go to the item, which is the sword down here. Name it, which I'm gonna name my test item.json. And then you can well, for this video we're just doing a blank item, so click blank item, click create. Here we go. So for format version, I suggest just doing 1.16.100. Basically, in your description, you open Minecraft item up. In your description, open up to the identifier, and then here, you just put what your item is. So mine was MC test item. It autofilled for me. So there, that's your identifier, because that's what you're identifying it as. Also in description, you can do a category, so whatever category you want it to be. Mine is going to be items because it's an item. Okay, and then you can close the description off. That's all you're basically gonna do in here mostly. So now you can go to the components. Components is basically all the components of the item. So you can do a bunch of stuff with this stuff, but since this is just a blank item, it's just a blank item, so we're not gonna actually do a lot of stuff with it. But there are a few very, very important components that you have to put in for every item that you make. So one of them is Minecraft icon. So basically this is gonna also tell that the behavior pack or the MC test item is linked to the resource pack, which is the little gunpowder thingamabob texture. So do Minecraft item, autofill to texture, and then it should autofill to MC test item if this is your first item. So that's telling this behavior pack that you're gonna link it to this test item. So go ahead and save that, and then another one of the really important ones, go back to component, is Minecraft display name, and then autofill it to value. So this is basically what it's actually gonna look like in game, not in the /give. So I want this to look like it's test item. Okay, so another important one is max stack size. So you can make the max stack size whatever you want. I'm just gonna make mine 64 because that's normal Minecraft max stack size. If you're making like a throwable item, then you can put 16, or like non-stackable is 1 for like tools. I think that's pretty much all I put in. I mean, if one of the important ones, I guess, that you could call it is create a category where it goes in the creative inventory. I'm just going to put this as an item in the creative inventory. Save it like that. And then this is basically all you need to do this. So just make sure, go to file up here and do save all just in case. And now we can actually open Minecraft. Okay, so now that you're in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you want to create a new world. I'm actually not signed in right now for some reason. I don't know. I'm gonna create new world and make your world creative or survival. If you're doing survival, I'm gonna make mine creative. You see. For this testing, I'm gonna make it a flat world. Also, name your world test world. That's where I'm naming mine. Make it a flat world. probably put show coordinates on you might be doing stuff like that later. Put sheets on because you need sheets on to give yourself the item unless you like have it in a loot chest or whatever. And then in the resource packs, you have to obviously activate. This is a test, which is, yeah, the one that I'm doing. This is a test. Okay, now I have this is a test. And for experiments, you have to put on holiday creator features for this to work. Whenever you're making custom items, just put holiday creator features on like that. And then I think you're ready to make your little world to see if your item is there. It will be there because it will be there. Okay. Slash get at smc. So here's my MC test item. So it's gonna be like that in the slash give. A test item. The thing worked. The what's it called? Display item. The display name thing worked. It's in items. Like remember when I put the category items in there, and the parent and the creative category one. So here we have the test item. If you look it up here, test item, and you can't really do anything with this. I'm trying to place it, but you can throw it on the ground. So yeah, guys, if you this is basically the end of the tutorial. That is how you make a blank item in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's really cool what you can do with all this coding. So remember, you guys, to like the video and subscribe, and I might and comment if you want more of this series of how to make more add-ons. So that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys next time.